what is Google Ads conversion tracking? So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what conversion tracking is and how you can set it up. Before I do, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I've been doing Google Ads for the best part of 2 decades, so I know exactly what works and what doesn't work and how to make Google Ads campaigns successful and profitable right from day one. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button, so when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. So what is conversion tracking? Conversion tracking is basically a way so that you can measure, how many people have called you from your Google Ads campaigns, how many people have filled in your contact form on your website, or how many people have made an inquiry or bought your products from Google Ads. Because we're spending all this money on Google Ads, we're throwing all this traffic onto it, but not only do we want to know how many clicks we've had onto a website, but we also want to know of those clicks how many have converted. And the way to do that is install conversion tracking. Now, there are 2 main benefits of installing conversion tracking. One is you can see for yourself that, hey, what keywords or which ad groups or campaigns are driving me the most amount of inquiries or sales or revenue, right? So, hey, you might want an ROI of 5 to 1, or you might want a ROAS, return on ad spend, of 500%. Or you might want a cost per lead of like $20 or £20 or $30 or whatever. And the only way you can do that, or the only way you can get these meaningful numbers, is by installing conversion tracking. The other advantage about installing conversion tracking is not only can you understand and create great reports, but you're also feeding that information back to Google Ads. So Google Ads algorithm can work far more efficiently for you because it knows what's working and what's not working, and whatever is working, it can send more potential visitors to those campaigns in order to make your campaigns more successful. So how do you install conversion tracking? There are multiple ways, but 2 of the most common ways is, firstly, use Google Ads own conversion tracking. So you can go to Tools, Conversions, and hit the conversion tracking, and you'll go through a wizard and it'll tell you, hey, install this piece of code, like for example on your thank you page. Or you can install conversion tracking through a tool like Google Analytics, which is absolutely free. So Google Analytics is free, and what you can do, you can set up a number of goals in there. You can set up a goal for how many people have called you, or how many people have filled in a contact form or a booking form, or the valuations. You can set up so many goals in that, and then you can import them into Google Ads. So then the advantage, I prefer to set up my conversion tracking in Google Analytics because I'm getting a lot more valuable information about the people who are visiting my website, what pages they're going through, and so on and so on and so on. So one last note is that when installing conversion tracking, what I recommend is install Google Tag Manager first, because it's going to make your life so much more easier. Because if you install Google Tag Manager, you can put all your code snippets within Google Tag Manager, and it gives you so much more flexibility in terms of what you can measure on your website, not only in terms of conversion tracking, but a whole host of other things. But I'm not going to go into Google Tag Manager for now. I will save that for a later video. So make sure you got you've got your conversion tracking installed. If you need any help, you can always get in touch with me by the link that's somewhere around this video. But at the same time, I'd love to hear from you about your experience of conversion tracking, or if you've got any questions about conversion tracking, put them in the comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Please do hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, so when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And at the same time, there'll be a link in the description below which has got my ebook in it, which shows you how to create great Google Ads campaigns, profitable Google Ads campaigns right from day one. So hit the link, download my Google Ads ebook. It's absolutely free, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye for now.